Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Health app and tapping your profile. Once there, make sure your Apple ID is active and your device is unlocked. Enable the specific health data categories you plan to use, activity, sleep, vitals, because the app organizes data by category. Next, pair your Apple Watch or Bluetooth devices in settings and grant permissions when prompted. Once done, the app begins collecting baseline data. This first capture lets you see trends instead of single points. You now manage where your data comes from and why that matters. Open data sources and access to review devices and apps sending information. Choose a preferred source for each metric by tapping Edit and dragging your most accurate device to the top. This ensures consistent readings. If an app doesn't auto-sync, import data manually using the Add Data option for metrics like blood pressure. Make sure to enable background refresh for apps you trust so entries appear without manual updates. You finish by checking summary and trends to understand patterns. Trends shows direction and summary highlights recent changes so you can act. Share specific metrics securely with a clinician or set up medical ID and emergency contacts to provide critical info quickly. When exporting or sharing, confirm permissions and selected date ranges. If syncing stops, try the quick fix. Toggle Bluetooth, reauthorize the app in settings, and restart your iPhone. If problems persist, remove and re-add the device.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.